Good morning, LEGO fans. How are you all doing? Hope everyone is well. Hello. So today I thought we'd do some more of these shorts. I've got the itch to build LEGO. It is currently 4 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep and I've got an itch to build some LEGO. So I've had to dig through my models to be made box, of which there's not much left in it now. I really need to get some more. I thought we'd do some of these shorts. So here we go, with a stupendously sped up build of a helicopter. Because why not? There we have Lego Creator 3471 at 4 o'clock in the morning. That's right, folks. 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm autistic, I build Lego. See you later. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.